know you. Not like know you, but aren't you,
Well,
I am an actor.
Senor or lady, I knew that was you, man. Papo, let me show you some things. I study acting too. I knew that was
Hi.
you, man.
Excuse me. Hi. I was here first, so you're gonna have to wait just a second to say hi to your little friend until after I'm done. So, now, I want a picture.
All right, cool. Tell us my sunglasses. They're in my gym bag.
Hey, Papo, you give me your job? You know, any movies?
Sure, man. What's your name and number?
It's Tony, man. Tony.
What's your number?
561 555 5555.
You like them?
Oye, man. I got a, check it. I got a, como se dice, módulo for you too, man. Check it out.
You know what? Not right now. Maybe next time. Okay?
Yeah, maybe later.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow. OMG. Just never know who you'll see. It's tubby though. Totally short. Way shorter in person. Definitely not as cute either. But I look sexy as hell. This pic will look epic on my IG. Hashtag Vin Diesel. Hashtag tubby.
So, you're working on your fitness, I'm working on my karate, and we're really kicking ass, but we gotta continue working our acting skills too, man. I think it's time we start looking for another acting coach. Again,
I want to get the feeling you already have.
found one. And they're close too. Wait. Based out of LA, conveniently located, only 2,600 miles outside of LA.
Bro, we're 2,600 miles outside of LA. I get the feeling we've done this before.
Last rep.
All right.
Wait, Papos, you said later. Later is now. Hey, man. I have something to show you. You're gonna love it. Every dog has his day, my friend.
Hey, you know what? Bruce's cat, Bootsy, just got in a car accident with his nightlife. Gotta go, man. I'm sorry.
Chicos.
I'll call you back next week.
Chicos. You all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be who you want to be. You need people like me. You need people like me so you can point your fucking fingers and say, that's the bad guy. So, what that make you? Good? You're no good. You just know how to hide, how to lie. Me, I don't have that problem. Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie. It's okay. You'll be back.
Bro, what the hell was that? Bootsy got into a car accident? His 9th life?
I don't know, bro. First of all, who the hell was that guy?
That was Tony, man.
What the hell's that sound? Give me that. Hello? Hello? Ugh. Great, the call dropped.
Check the caller ID. Hashtag Vin Diesel. She called you Tubby.
Easy. Director Liberty?
Put on speaker. Put on
Does
speaker.
this phone look like it has speaker? Yes, Director. No problem. Consider it done. Sure. We'll see you then.
Wiedersehen.
Oh, I feel the same way about you. Of course. I love that. Thank you for all your kind words.
Vincent, what are you expostulating? Disconnect from this line at once. whole head.
Sorry.
So, how did it go? Before you made things awkward.
What are you talking about, man? I didn't make things awkward.
Really?
Anyway, Liberty directed us to contact students from the workshop.
Sweet.
Class in session, man.
When and where?
I don't know. She didn't
Okay.
say.
What do we do now?
Dude, it's a text message. Tomorrow, 3 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 225 Mooresmere Drive. Stop asking so many questions, Barry, and trust the process.
She hates me.
What was that whole sneaker thing, bud?
Really? Well, let's do this.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. Welcome to Pizza Rock. And I will be back in a couple minutes to take your orders.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Can I ask you something quickly? Why do you insist on sitting on the same side as me?
Come on, man.
Anyway, all right. So mass tech should work, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we have Clifford. There you are. Juan, Edit. Who else?
Don't forget me.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Arnold.
Tony. Don't forget Tony, man.
Okay. What's his number?
561 555 5555.
With a number like that, he's destined for Hollywood, huh?
Right?
Oh my gosh. Okay. And send. Dunsies, we're good.
Sweet. I gotta tell you, Brad, man, what a relief this is. You know, I was surprised because how abruptly the workshop closed, and we never heard from Liberty ever again.
I know, right? Usually a sneaker to the face enhances a relationship.
So embarrassing.
You're a
She'll let
hot
me back
mess.
in? Yeah.
Probably not.
You ever think about taking a day off?
You ever think about actually exercising or
I'm doing this wrist thing.
wrist thing?
So I text a lot.
Yeah, that's a clip.
Yeah, I'm gonna clip it onto one of these weights and put some weights on them.
Oh, okay.
Like your hair.
Oh, thank you.
Is that your natural color?
Absolutely.
It's beautiful.
Thanks.
You come to the gym a lot?
No.
Yeah, I work out a lot. I'm an actor, so I gotta stay in shape. Yeah, you ever seen the hepatitis commercial? It's been going around a lot.
Oh, they give you a discount for that, or?
No, I don't have it, you know. I've never seen anyone quite like you before. Wonder maybe we can get a cup of coffee after, maybe later, or get your number. Can I get your number?
Yeah, absolutely. You gotta.
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Oh, all right.
Yeah. So 561 555
Five.
5555.
Really?
Mhm.
That even possible?
Absolutely.
What's your name?
Brittany.
Oh shit, I'm getting another text. Director Liberty, I gotta go.
Okay.
I'll call you later, Dollface. Jeez, she's huge.
To be or not to be? That is the question. No, that's not it. Are you talking to me? Well, you must be talking to me, because I don't see anyone else in here. You sexy beast. Oh, shit. Reunited, and it feels so good. Reunited, because we're understood. There's one perfect fit, and Director Liberty is it. Mwah.
Bro, how did you find this pay-to-mourn gig anyway?
Vincent, it's a great way to broaden our acting techniques. We get paid by working on developing characters. Plus, we get to learn how to trigger sadness on demand. Look.
Cry harder, moan louder. Do you hear them whispering that to us?
Exactly. This gig allows us to learn how to take direction and to improvise. Two very important keys to an actor's success.
Well, I'm sick and tired of assuming a fake identity to fool mourners.
Like shoes. Look like diapers. They sure stick together.
It's not elegant.
For a karate guy, you're not too flexible.
Shut up. Nobody asked you. All right.
Let's go.
Is she sleeping here?
I have no clue.
Anybody here?
Somebody's bed.
Did you lock the ingress, Benjamin?
It's Michael. It's okay. Sorry.
I believe I needed a foreigner. Never mind. Please, return to your robust dramatic soliloquy. Might I add, your allegiance to the workshop and the craft are the cat's pajamas.
Thank you so much, Director.
Director Liberty? Ben? Anyone here?
Welcome to our salon, sir. Won't you have a seat? What can I do for you today? A little off the top? Maybe a little shampoo?
Bro, you're out of control, man. What's wrong with you? Focus.
Just playing.
Your instruction, not only in the world of acting, but in my personal life, is whimsical.
Ah, Benjamin, how I ache for 1,000 more of you to cultivate. You're so well endowed, so turgid with spunk.
Anna.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, I ask that you please direct your attention to the monitors above. When the seatbelt sign illuminates, fasten one metal fitting into the other and tighten with the loose end. To release, lift the metal fitting. There are several emergency exits on this aircraft. Forward, aft, and out on the wings.
Excellent.
I feel like I've heard this before.
It's not even a monologue, bro. It reminds me. I had to book my flight to Topeka.
Come. Oh, grab my book.
What was that
I see we've found my workshop efficiently, followed my directions comparatively, and Bruce, I forgive you. If you are sorry for your fault, and if the workshop's arms are ready to receive you. Now, let the convocation begin. Furthermore, off with this support, this bolster, this stanchion.
She wasn't even hurt. Now that is good acting.
All together now as a single cog. Settle in, class. Position yourselves on the floor. We will begin your training from the ground up. Your viewpoint must be from that of a papoose.
Liberty's cellular device.
We have again migrated to a new region, and we hope to remain here indefinitely. This repository is now our new sanctuary. Barry, your previous monologue was distressing, to say the least. Your irresponsible actions have forced our training to start in a new dawning from a less juxtaposed fashion. Hence, our rigorous training is over for today. Improvisation at the Cacao of noon 30 tomorrow.
I am so hydrated!
You know, whatever it is you're taking, I suggest you reduce the amount to half.
Half? I didn't get this good on half! You know what time it is? It's time for little slapsies, my friend.
Oh, you wanna play slapsies?
Slapsies. Oh!
Game over.
Always win. Always. Hey, now I know why I remember those assholes. Those are those two dickwad cops that pulled me over last April 20th. They started getting a little lippy, so I had to give them a little, 1-2.
Yeah. So, tell me what really happened.
Well...
Looks like you got a problem, fat boy.
Problem is, bud, it's a swag.
Some weak ass tricks.
What's up with some of that dank ass bread?
Basically, calling me a loser, and then they drove off. Nothing really happened. All that stuff was Kill Bill.
Makes more sense. Why don't I hang out with you?
Oh, Vincent. Bravo, Michael. Fabulous job.
It's great to be back, isn't it?
She's a sextuple now.
Who authorized you neonates to be here at this 0 hour? Remove the cathedrals immediately so we may begin your tutelage. Go! Clifford, why are you still rooted? Extract yourself at once.
Actually, direct delivery. My bacchiotomy. Direct delivery.
Well, Clifford?
Yeah, I did everything you told me. I checked under the car, around the car, and under the car. By the way, you're gonna need a new jack because the thing broke and it fell on me. What? I'm having a real hard time feeling my lower extremities right now, but it's okay. I'm able to walk a little bit, don't touch. Anyways, I checked under your hood, looked all over the place, and I think I found your problem.
Okay.
When was the last time you had your oil checked?
My oil?
Yeah, it's drier than a nun's undergarments on a Sunday afternoon in church.
I don't know what this oil is you speak of, Clifford. Understood. But man up and align yourself hither, and that is an order. Bruce! Service Clifford, use your hands, not your mouth.
I got it. I'm not an invalid. Jebediah. Help me out, bro.
So, today we will focus on extemporization improvisation. Configure a line, beginning with Clifford. Come, interjaculate yourselves. Augment yourselves into an erect, upright, cocked position. So, as to, quote, get one's feet wet, unquote, today we will perform a designed scene known as Chinese Whispers.
Your song, dude.
Not now. What are you doing? Don't do that. Should've known better than to treat it. Yes, I know rhythm. We'll never dance again the way I dance with you.
Also referred to as whisper down the lane, broken telephone, operator, grapevine gossip, don't drink the milk, secret massage, the messenger game, and pass the message, among others. Now, divulge what was breathed into your ear in the form of a whisper. Slip it deeply into the body in front of you. We will now compare the final communique to the original promulgation. Clifford, produce your rendition.
I gotta take a piss.
Oh, what a marvelous climax, just as I devised. This is why I am the director. Now, a consummation is in order. La, 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 la. Break!
I gotta take a piss. But she told me it's not the size of the boat that matters, it's the motion. Ah, forget it.
So, Cliff, do you remember me? Because I remember you.
Can't say I do. I tend to recall things I don't even care to recall.
All right, so anyways, back in the day, back when we used to have pagers, I think we... Ring any bells? Huh?
Yeah, now I remember. Stacy's phone number. Jacket left side pocket. Why can't I remember that? There's a lot of dudes in this class. In fact, it's all dudes. You know, instead of calling us the workshop, they should call us a bag of dicks.
Big bag of dicks. Hey, Brew. What's the deal with the bowling ball? But, you know what? I don't want to know. Anyway, Arnold's got something to tell you about his fizzy bubbly commercial. You gotta hear this, man.
Oh, this? It's nothing. Anyways, check this out, bro. My agent calls, right? Direct booking, talking about tomorrow. Mañana, okay? The director said I have the look. So now I'm trying to get in contact with my agent, text, emails, to try and find out what my role is. Nothing. Crickets. So I show up on set, jacked as always, ready to
Okay.
kill it.
And?
Relax, Bruno. I'm getting to it, okay?
It's Bruce.
Think big, huge, solid moneymaker, okay? I walk in the wardrobe and there it is. I slip it on, I feel like a machine, okay? Unstoppable.
Okay. And?
I'm the lead, getting all the close-ups. The women are throwing money at me, we're popping bottles. Things are getting dirty, my friend.
Jeez Louise, cut to the chase already.
A vending machine.
There is none. You have to go to the 24-hour supermarket.
I'm the vending machine, the lead vending machine, dude. It was epic. Anyways, Daddy's gotta get to work. Hashtag set life.
And we get paid to mourn at funerals. You're right. Ugh. Why can't we get paid? Get gigs like that?
Really?
Attendance shall commence at the onset of assemblage. If you are to be tardy, call. If you're going to be on time, call. If you're going to be absent, be prepared for the consequences. Now, class, you look intimidated. Superb. Let's get to work. Upon hearing your name, an intelligible present will be uttered by thee. Juan.
Oh, here, a key. Present. I'm in spirit.
Pay attention, bantlings. I refuse to dote. Delightful. Oh, I see Vincent, Bruce, Clifford, Jebediah, and I had thought Jim had returned, but oh well. Anyway. Okay. We'll now advance your spontaneity and incorporate props into your improvisation, and no chewing the scenery. Juan, penetrate my aureole. Now, cherubs, which one of you will choose a prop, improvise a service with said prop, and hand it off to Juan? Bruce! How dare you thrust your anatomy into my extemporaneous region without my endorsement? Remove yourself promptly!
Hey, at least you got your name right, bro.
I will authenticate what is expected. Observe. Estuaries are so tranquilizing this time of year. Do you agree, Juan?
Yes, I do, Director Liberty. What an excellent day to be up Schitt's Creek with you.
You know what? I'm the captain of the ship. You row.
Row, row, row your boat. Geez, it seems like we're kind of going in a circle, wouldn't you say? Anyway, why don't I play you a little song on the old guitar?
Romantic. Oh, what a magnificent start. Juan always takes chances.
Good luck, Jebba douchebag.
Now, my embryos, from time to time we will have interested parties, i.e. Jebediah, audit the workshop. As in, to analyze, investigate, survey, check, verify, examine the hearty, lubricated innards of the workshop. Jebediah, please, deliver a brief oration.
Hello, ladies, gentlemen. My name is
That will
Jebediah.
suffice, Jebediah. Now it's time to further our improvisation interval. You, acquire a prop. You are on.
Yo, I only came here for a dang pedicure. I know what's going on here, but I really need to get my heels scrubbed.
Take it easy, man. Let it go. Let it go. Oh!
Okay. Mi nombre es Otoño de la Cruz, but everyone call me Otis. I know what everyone's going on here, but I need a damn pedicure, All I wanted is just a pedicure. That's why I came here. And I'm not leaving until I have my heels scrubbed and polished.
Whoa, take it easy, man. Not the candy bar.
Amigo, estás loco!
Yes! Perfection! Now, Bruce, make entry! Improvise! Improvise! Go! Use Otis's vigor!
Otis. What the kind of... This is an acting class. This is not a nail salon. Okay, technically it is a nail salon, but just...
Oh! Ow!
Idiota, me rompiste mi pistola, ¿qué le pasa con usted? Te voy a matar, puto, te voy a matar. Ahora quiero película.
I've been shot! It saved me. It saved me. It saved me. This cause for celebration.
Bravo, Otis! That's how it's done, people. Get out of your heads and value your emotional integrity. Pubescence is upon you, my nurslings. You are germinating right before your director's eyes, augmenting, descending like... Now, liberate yourselves from the workshop till tomorrow. Halt! Vincent! What is today's date?
Today is the 5th.
Tuesday. Tuesday is when you, the students, must pay your monthly workshop dues. These monies will cover a gamut of sundries and incidentals. We will also have bi-monthly toilet paper drives and donations to keep the workshop running on all cylinders. Tuesday will always fall on the day of the week that ends in Y. Don't fuss with me, fellas. I've been doing this for a really long time. This is not my first time at the rodeo. Cliff, Juan, Otis, remember, the sword cuts both ways.
What's up, brother?
How you doing, man?
How you doing? Good to see you. There you go.
Thanks, man. Ever do our scene work before we head out?
Hells yeah.
Oh, but wait. That guy Cliff. He's the one that we sold the catnip to back in the day.
You better hope not, bro. This Cliff's kind of a rabble rouser.
He does wear a leather jacket, doesn't he?
Huh? Focus, bro. Let's do this. I can't wait to show you a choice I made for my character.
Oh, yeah?
Counselor.
Let's do it.
Now, counselor, really?
Yes, detective, now. I want you to observe. There's no bruises, no lacerations of any kind. This is the way I'm handing my client to you, and this is the way I want him back.
I should think any change whatsoever would be an improvement, counselor.
I want you to understand, I'm not going to let you violate his constitutional rights. You're not going to abuse him physically, and you're not going to degrade his dignity as a human being.
Counselor, never met a criminal yet who didn't wrap himself in the Constitution from head to toe, or a hoodlum who wasn't filled to the nostrils with habeas corpus and the rights of human dignity. Did you ever see the girl your client operated on last year in the morgue? On a marble slab? Wasn't much human left of her, counselor, and very little dignity.
My client was innocent of that charge. The court acquitted him.
He was guilty.
Are you placing yourself above the court of the land?
There's a higher court, counselor.
I'm sure there is, detective.
Listen, Fisher.
Wire hangers? Wire hangers? What are wire hangers doing
What's wrong with you?
Bootsy, my cat. He was decapitated by a hanger's dry cleaning truck.
Back to business. Today is the finale of improvisation. But before we begin, I would like to authenticate a scene that I have chosen for Vincent. There will be times when you are called upon to do scene work. I will present you a scene and a scene partner. You will rehearse before thee, and I shall provide guidance on your blocking and judge you on your dialogue. Vincent, make advances towards your director. Peruse your scene and make your choices. You will serenade Jim.
Okay. 9 lives aren't just for felines. Interesting.
Clifford, inaugurate a prop and hand it off to Bruce.
No problem. Let's see. How's that? What the? Take that like 45 years ago? This will do. All right. This good?
Proceed.
I'm Prison Paul. First thing you want to do when you go to prison is punch the biggest guy you can find, right? You're gonna get your ass kicked afterwards, but you're gonna gain a lot of respect. If you ain't got it in your heart, here's what you need to do next. Possibly maybe find the toughest Chinese guy, right? And be his bitch. Cause it's gonna go a little easier for you later tonight when he's giving you a pounding in your jail cell. That's all I'm trying to say there. And this thing's a shank, all right? You make this in shop. You stick it in your pants, you hide it. Guards don't see it when they frisk you. All right? Walk up to your prey and slash him right in the neck, all right? Maybe hit the jugular. Maybe go for the carotid. I don't know, I'm not a doctor. I don't know what works better. But they're gonna die anyways. If you wanna go old school, you turn around and start jamming them right in the chest, all right? You're gonna get about 14, 15 shots out before the guards come and tackle your ass. All right, end scene. Payback's a bitch.
Finally, pedicure is possible?
Well, that was disturbingly uncomplimentary. Presume it to be true. Students have been thrown out of the workshop for having such shoddy work. Now put in the effort, people, and get out of your heads. Let's get the momentum swinging again, my kiddies. That last performance made my anemia return. Jim, come forth. Now, Jim is working on reinventing himself, as we are well aware. We made quite extreme revelations in his last private. This will build up Jim's confidence and vigor. Now, inaugurate your first read. Your first read is sacred, students. You will not be off book. You must honor thy read. Now go. Begin from the commencement to the cusp.
You ain't gonna believe this, my little kitty. But used to fit right here. I'd hold you up and say, this cat's gonna be the best little kitty in the world. This kitty's gonna be somebody. And you grew up good and wonderful. It was great just watching you. Every day was... these poppins are killing me.
You should have looked out for me a little bit, Director. You should have taken care of me just a little bit. Instead, I have to do these non-union gigs for throwing in money. I could have been a real actor. I could have been somebody. But instead, I'm a bum. I'm just a bum, an unemployed actor, banned from the workshop just because I'm trying to learn my craft through other coaches.
this is happening. Remember me, he asks. Well, do you remember me now, brother man? Do you know what catnip does to your lungs when you inhale it? Do you?
No!
I'm still sweating out catnip since the early 90s. I got pussy chasing me all over this town every single day. And I'm not talking about the good kind. I'm talking about the cat kind. Achoo! You see that?
Clifford, be seated. Improvisation has concluded for today. And Barry, sit up. Your hubris is wearying. Our aforementioned improvisation has concluded, just as our occasion has for today. Welcome, world, to the workshop. Eh? How you doing? Welcome. What?
Beautiful, that's a wrap.
Nice.
This fucking jacket.
Good job. Hey, man.
Was that hard on that last line?
Great job.
Watch the props. Good job. Hey, could I get a grip or something to move these things?